Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for gamers, especially in fast-paced games like Call of Duty. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate controller drift. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by turning off your controller and using a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the analog sticks. You can also use a soft cloth with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the area. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Look for the dead zone settings and adjust them. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the controller registers input. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware, which can improve performance and reduce drift. Step 4. Use a controller repair kit. If cleaning and adjustments don't work, consider using a controller repair kit. These kits typically include tools and replacement pads to fix or replace the analog sticks, which can resolve drift issues. Step 5. Consider a new controller. If all else fails and the drift persists, it may be time to invest in a new controller. Look for models known for their durability and precision, as they may offer better performance and longevity. By following these steps, you can help minimize controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. Remember to regularly maintain your controller to prevent future issues.